Holiday energy boost with Santa's spice mix. Hey festive friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're whipping up something bold, cozy, and full of holiday magic. Santa's secret spice shot. This tiny but powerful drink is packed with warming spices, natural sweetness, and just enough kick to wake you up faster than sleigh bells on Christmas morning. Whether you need a quick boost before gift wrapping, holiday baking, or a long winter night, this little shot has Santa-level energy written all over it. This recipe is inspired by classic winter spices that warm you from the inside out. Think cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and a touch of citrus, all working together in one small but mighty sip. It's festive, flavorful, and surprisingly refreshing. Ingredients: 1/2 cup apple juice or fresh apple cider, 1 tablespoon, fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of ground ginger, tiny pinch of ground cloves optional, pinch of cayenne for extra heat. Directions: add the apple juice, lemon juice, and honey to a small saucepan over low heat. Stir gently until the honey dissolves and the mixture is warm, not boiling. Sprinkle in the cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and cayenne if using. Stir well and let the spices infuse for about 3-4 minutes. Remove from heat and strain if desired for a smooth finish. Pour into a small shot glass or espresso cup. And that's it. One sip delivers a burst of holiday warmth, gentle sweetness, and a spicy kick that feels like Santa himself just handed you a secret recipe from the North Pole. Take it warm for cozy vibes or chill it slightly for a refreshing twist. If you loved this festive shot, hit like, subscribe for more holiday drinks, and let me know how you'd customize Santa's secret spice. Cheers and happy holidays. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.